Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Nilesh here and back again with another tutorial to screencast or mirror your iPhone to your Mac computer. So let's get started. First thing is you need to connect your iPhone to your Mac computer via USB cable. Once it is done, just go to the Finder, not Finder, go to Spotlight and search for QuickTime Player. Then just hit on File, go to New Movie Recording, just click on here, then just wait. It has automatically selected my iPhone as a screen mirror. If yours isn't, then just go click that arrow and go for, here you have two options, FaceTime HD camera and iPhone. Just click on iPhone here, and in the microphone section you can select either your internal microphone or iPhone anything, and here you can select the quality of the mirroring. And once it is done, you are here back on your screen, and I'll just show you. This is really easy and quickest way to connect your iPhone or screen mirror your iPhone to an macOS. So that's it for today, and you can even record this. You can just record this clip as a clip like this, and you can just stop here. You can see the replay, and you can even record the audio from your device. Just use, let me delete this, let me open once again. Here you can go with internal audio and all. Let me show you a glimpse of it. Let me just play this song. Yeah, you can see that even you can record the internal audio of your device on this. So that's it for today. If you like my video, just go hit like, share and subscribe, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe because we are getting new content every day. So thanks for watching.